Hello friends, today I will tell you how you can get a .com domain and hosting at a very low price. For this, you need to visit Admirehost.com, where a domain sale is currently going on. You can get a .com or .in domain for just 399 rupees. If you want the cheapest domain, you can also get a .site domain for only 89 rupees. Now let me tell you about hosting. You need to click on the hosting tab and choose any hosting plan. Let's go with the shared hosting option. Here you can see that you will get a 50% discount. So let me explain how you can get hosting from here. Select any plan you like. Just to show you, I'll buy the 39 rupees plan. But if you want to run more than one website or add more websites in the future, it's better to go with the 69 rupees plan. But for now, I'll show you the basic plan, so click on the Buy button. Now the Choose a Domain page has opened. If you already have a domain, you can enter your domain name in the third option. Otherwise, if you want to register a new domain, click on the first option and enter your desired domain name with the .com extension. Then click on Check. If it's available, you will see it here. Add it to your cart, and then click on Continue. Now the Configure page has opened, where you need to choose the billing cycle. You can choose any billing cycle, but it's better to go with the annual option because you can only use the 50% discount once. After that, click on Continue. You can also add ID protection and DNS if you want, otherwise, click on Continue. Now you are on the main page where you can see the price for the .com domain is 399 rupees and the hosting price is 468 rupees. But this is going to be very low, so you need to enter the promo code OFF50host and click on Validate Code. That's it. Now you can see that you have received a 50% discount, and the total price is only 671 rupees. You will get a .com domain and 1 year of hosting at this amazing price. You won't find hosting anywhere else at such a low price, and the domain price can increase very soon, so hurry up and buy it. That's it guys. If you liked the video, please like it and subscribe to the channel to watch more videos like this. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.